प्रभु नित्यानंदा हरे कृष्ण हरे राम श्री राधे गोविंदा श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा हरे कृष्ण हरे राम श्री राधे गोविंदा श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा हरे कृष्ण हरे राम श्री राधे गोविंदा श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा हरे कृष्ण हरे राम श्री
लाडली लाल की जय। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अहोवकीयं स्तनकालकूटं जिघांसयापाययधप्यसाध्वी लेभे गतिं धातृचितां ततोऽन्यं कं वा दयालुं शरणं व्रजे। नमः कमलनाभाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षण यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्ग्वंहदेवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। The seekers of divine bliss, divine happiness, the divine souls. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam, my humble prostrations to all of you here present. We just completed 8-day series of lectures on the divine compositions of the greatest saint Jagat Gurutam Shri Kripaluji Mahaprabhu in his divine book Yugal Shatak. Continuing on the theme, Shatak means 100, there are 100 compositions, 50 dedicated to Radharani, 50 dedicated to Shri Krishna. So continuing on our retreat on the same theme from Yugal Shatak, we're going to start with Kirtan number, bhajan number 70, 70. हमारी हमारी हु सुधी लो राधे 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 हमारी
सुधिलो राधे 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 राधे
ओ हमारी हु सुधी लो राधे 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 राधे
हमारी सुधिलो राधे 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 राधे
राधे राधे राधे
राधे राधे राधे
राधे राधे राधे
राधे राधे राधे
ओ हमारी हो सुधी लो राधे 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 राधे
हमारी सुधिलो राधे 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 राधे
एक साधक, an aspirant soul, aspiring to attain true happiness, true divine bliss, says to Radha Rani, who is the other inseparable form of Sri Krishna, O Radha Rani, please think about my most despicable condition. Please think about me a little bit. My condition is so bad, O Radharani. And the only one who I can talk to this about this to is you. As you're the only one I think who I know can help me. किए पाप अगणित हाउ जन्म जनमी जग राधे. Pap means sin, wrong action. I have committed uncountable, aganit, uncountable sins, wrong actions, taken birth again and again in this material world, in the human form, of course. Only the actions performed in the human birth, in the human body is counted as good or bad. There are 8.4 million forms of life. Even devatas are counted in that, celestial beings. All perform actions. But only the actions performed in the human body bears fruits, good or bad. Every other form of life is a bhog yoni. It's only enjoying the fruits of its past action. So I have taken birth in the human form uncountable times. Many people say they cannot feel that I am the worst sinner, the biggest sinner, because I have not done something really bad. I did not steal. I did not kill anyone. I did not give abusive language to anyone. I did not beat up anyone, etc. So we look physically only. But what is the definition for pap and punya? Sri Krishna says in the scriptures, Man nimittam kitam papam mad dharma cha kalpate mamanahritya dharmopi papam syanmat prabhavata. God has given definition for pap and punya. Pap is sin, punya, good action. So Shri Krishna says, mama nimit kritam papam. Someone does a pap, a sin, a wrong action, but he does it for God, for Shri Krishna, with the thought that this is for Shri Krishna. Not just saying like that, but with the true feeling, that is considered to be dharma, punya, righteous action. Mad dharmaya cha kalpate. For me, Shri Krishna says, that is dharma, righteous action. Or mamana hitta dharmopi. One may be doing dharma, what we consider dharma in the world, righteous action. Somebody is serving the husband, serving the wife, serving the parents, etc. What we consider to be dharma. But it's not for God. It's not done for Shri Krishna, for God. So Shri Krishna says, that is a papa, sin. This is Shri Krishna's definition for papa and punya. We may not agree with it. Many people may say, I don't agree with this definition because it doesn't sound right. Of course it doesn't sound right. We cannot decide what is right and what is wrong. God decides that, and this is His definition. So if we think in 24 hours of a day, how much time we spend thinking favorably, lovingly about God, how much time? We will all see that we are gross sinners. As we spend very little time, most of the time, our mind is focused on the world, a family, etc. The world, people say that is good action, you should do that. But not according to Shri Krishna. And also, leave that alone. If we do one wrong action in one lifetime, ek pap, one sin, then we, the individual souls, are beginningless. We have been in existence from beginningless time. So even if we multiply one by every lifetime we had human birth, we will still get infinite. Anant. And all this is stored in our heart, in our mind, as sanchit pap, accumulated sins, infinite. So anta na paihau papana radhe, because kala anantahu, I have been in existence from beginningless time. So Radharani, if you were to start counting how many sins I have done, you will not find the end. If you decide to start counting how much sin this soul has committed, you will never find the end. So Radharani, think a little bit about how bad my condition is. Hamari hu sudhilo Radhe, Radhe Radhe Radhe.
Hamari ho sudhilo Radhe, Radhe Radhe Radhe.
किए पाप अगणित हो राधे,
किए पाप अगणित हो राधे।
जनमी जनमी जग राधे, राधे राधे राधे।
जनमी जनमी जग राधे, राधे राधे राधे।
अंत न पई हो पाप न राधे,
अंत न पई हो पाप न राधे।
काल अनंत हूँ राधे 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 राधे
काल अनंत हूँ राधे 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 राधे
राधे राधे राधे
राधे राधे राधे
ओ हमरी हूँ सुधिलो राधे 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 राधे
हमारी हूँ सुधिलो राधे 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 राधे.
So we hear that God is the supreme judge. Supreme judge. In the world, people, when they're taught that someone has committed a wrong action, you're taken before the court, the judge, and you have witnesses and all this. And if you have a lot of money, someone can pay the witness. People do that. Many times people who have not done any wrong actions, they get punished. वो कभी गलती नहीं किया, but someone says, I saw, and the judge is not all-knowing. And there are people who have actually committed murder, etc. But again, they can pay a good witness, somebody, a good lawyer, and they go free. This happens in this Gappar Sapar, this happens in the world all the time. But where God is concerned, this cannot happen. Shri Krishna alone is the judge. Shri Krishna alone is the witness. Shri Krishna alone is the judge and the lawyer. He doesn't have, oh, I'm going to call Ramesh to be the witness. Or John. No. Oh, Swayam witness. He himself is the witness. He is sitting in our heart. Eko deva sarva bhuteshu gudha sarva vyapi sarva bhutantaratma karma dhyaksha sarva lokadiva sakshi. He is a witness. Shvetashvatara Upanishad chapter 6 verse 11. तो किसी को बुलाना नहीं है. He doesn't have to call somebody and ask. So Sri Krishna says in the Gita also, Samoham sarva bhuteshu name dveshosti na priyaha. Chapter 9 verse 29 Gita. Na koi mujhse priya hai, na koi mujhse, na koi hamara shatru hai. Shri Krishna says, neither is anyone dear to me, nor is anyone hateful, nor is anyone my enemy. I look at everyone equally. I am supreme God judge. But the devotee is saying here, Nyaya karat yate nyaya karahu jani radhe. I know you can judge. You are the best judge, as you alone knows what I do and what I'm thinking every moment. But I am begging you to do not judge me. Do not look at what I have done. What I want from you is only kripa. This word kripa, grace, means someone who is merciful, compassionate without any reason, any purpose. Bino hetu sanehi, one who showers the grace without any reason, any cause, any purpose. God is called Akaran Karun, causelessly merciful. So I want that, I want you to think about that part of you, that quality you have, which is causeless, the quality that showers grace without any reason, any purpose. Do not look, do not give law, niyam. I know that Shri Krishna is Samadarshi. When it comes to law, Shri Krishna is Samadarshi. This is what the Gita is saying. He looks at everyone equally. I just told you, neither is anyone dear nor anyone hateful. This means Samadarshi. Shri Krishna says, I look at everyone equally. So I know you're Sri Krishna, who's other form of you. He's Samadarshi, the Supreme Court judge. But Radharani, you are not Samadarshi. You are Kripamayi. Kripa, you're the very form of grace, Kripa. All you can do, Radharani, is Kripa, Kripa, Kripa. Grace, grace, grace. That's all I want from you. Do not... Sri Krishna does give judgment. He is Samadarshi. That's okay. But I'm not speaking to Sri Krishna. I am speaking to Radharani, who is grace personified. So I only want you to shower your grace on me. Hamari hu sudhilo Radhe, 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 Radhe.
Hamari hu sudhilo Radhe, 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 Radhe.
Radhe, Radhe, Radhe.
Radhe, Radhe, Radhe.
याते न्याय करहु जनि राधे,
याते न्याय करहु जनि राधे।
करहु कृपा अब राधे, 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 राधे।
करहु कृपा अब राधे, 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 राधे।
न्याय करत समदर्शी हूँ राधे,
न्याय करत समदर्शी हूँ राधे।
कृपा रूप तुम राधे, 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 राधे।
कृपा रूप तुम राधे, 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 राधे।
ओ हमरी हु सुधिलो राधे, 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 राधे।
हमरी हु सुधिलो राधे, 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 राधे।
Another thing, संसार भगवान को भक्त वत्सला कहते हैं. God is called Bhakta Vatsal. Bhakta Vatsal means one who loves those who love him, who protects those who love him. Bhakt. But I'm not a Bhakt. We say, oh, devotees. This is actually foolishness. We're not devotees. We're sadhak. Someone who is practicing, who's an aspirant, who is practicing sadhana. Sadhana bhakti is called a sadhak, a spiritual aspirant. Bhakt is something different. Bhakt means one who loves God above all and everything, who thinks about God every moment, who does not forget God even for the tiniest moment equal to one grain, one strand of hair. Tribhuvana vibhavahe tavepya kunthasmiti rachitarma surari bhirvrimigyan na chalati bhagavat padar vindal lavanimishadhamapi yasa vaishnavagya. A Vaishnava, a Bhakt. Bhagavad is defined what is a Bhakt. The Bhagavad is saying a Bhakt, a devotee, is one who does not forget God even for a moment. The tiniest moment. Lavanimishadhamapi. So I'm not that. I try to remember you sometime. Most time I'm thinking about a world and worldly thing. So when I hear this word Bhakta Vatsala, I become very scared. I don't like this word. Because it does not apply to me. ये अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो नाम न प्रिय. This word I don't like. This Bhakta Vatsala. Because I'm not a Bhakt. नाम पतित पावन तवराधि. ये अच्छा लगता है. But there's another name you have, Radharani, Patit Pavani, the protector of the fallen sinful soul, the one who loves the fallen sinful soul. I love this name, this title of yours, because I am the most fallen, the most sinful soul. So you can keep the Bhakta Vatsal for your true devotees, those who love you, that's fine. When I hear that name, I become very scared. I start shaking with fear. But when I hear Patita Pavani, I feel very good because I have hope. Because I am the most fallen and you are the protector of fallen sinful souls. Hamari hu sudhi lo Radhe, 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 Radhe.
Hamari hu sudhi lo Radhe, 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 Radhe.
Jag Mahabhakt Vatsala Radhe,
Jag Mahabhakt Vatsala Radhe.
नाम न प्रिय तव राधे, 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 राधे.
नाम न प्रिय तव राधे, 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 राधे.
नाम पतित पावनी तव राधे,
नाम पतित पावनी तव राधे.
नाम पतित पावनी तव राधे.
नाम पतित पावनी तव राधे.
ओ सब कह प्रिय लग राधे, 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 राधे.
सब कह प्रिय लग राधे, 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 राधे.
सब जानत मोहि ते रोई. ये झूठ मूठ. People see me go in mandir and go in satsang, come into Yugal Kunj and they think I am a devotee of Radharani. The world. But this is jhoot. This is not right. This is false. You know Radharani. You know how fallen I am. So people not being able to see inside my heart how bad, how sinful I am, how fallen. Oh, he goes to Mangad, he goes to Brindavan, he goes to Yugal Kunjo and he's chanting Radhe Radhe. Oh, he's a great devotee of Radharani. But you know better, Radharani. You know that this is not true. And I'm really a devotee of the world, a fallen soul. लेकिन झूठ मूठ कहा, अब तू झूठ मूठ को राधे सांचू बना दे. So the world has this false impression and it's not good. That they should think I'm your devotee and I am not. So make it true, Radharani. You have the power. You can make this true. You can make me a true devotee of yours. Give me that love to love you selflessly. You make it true, Radharani. Hamari hu sudhi lo Radhe, 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 Radhe.
Hamari hu sudhi lo Radhe, 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 Radhe.
Radhe, Radhe, Radhe.
Radhe, Radhe, Radhe.
सब जानत मोहि तेरो ही राधे.
सब जानत मोहि तेरो ही राधे.
झूठ मूठ कह राधे, 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 राधे.
झूठ मूठ कह राधे, 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 राधे.
अब तू झूठ मूठ को राधे,
अब तू झूठ मूठ को राधे.
साच बना दे राधे, 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 राधे.
साच बना दे राधे, राधे राधे राधे
ओ साच बना दे राधे 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 राधे
साच बना रे राधे 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 राधे
ओ हमरी हो सुधिलो राधे 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 राधे
हमारी हो सुधी राधे 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 राधे
Radha Rani, there's something you have that I want. आपके पास एक चीज है. If someone has something, told you this before, and we want to get it, something that we want, we value a lot, and we want to get that thing, there are several things we can do. If we have enough money, we can buy it from the person. If we are strong enough, we can beat them up and take it away. Or we can steal it. 3 things we can do. Now, that thing which Radha Rani has, supreme divine bliss, divine love. Panchama Purushat Soi Prem Mohadhan. Gaurang Mahaprabhu says there's a 5th Purusharth. There are 4 Purusharths, traditional aims of human life: Dharma, Arth, Kam, Moksha. Desire for righteousness, desire for money, wealth, desire for pleasure, and desire for moksha. It's not useless, all of this. Gaurang Mahaprabhu says there's a 5th Purusharth which is the highest and the greatest wealth, the true wealth. That is called Prem, divine love, divine bliss. Sakha param paramaratha ehu kariya ram pad pankaj nehu. Kag Basundaji saying to Guruji in the Ramayana, rejecting the 4 traditional aims of human life I just told you about. Kag Basundaji is saying there's a 5th, which is the highest, Param, the highest, and that is love for the lotus feet of Sri Ram. In other words, divine bliss, divine happiness. So Radha Rani, this divine Sudha Premaras, the divine nectar of divine love, I want to get it, but none of these 3 things that I can do. So there's wanting. The left for us to do, we have to beg. Mangana. Because Radha Rani gives this without any mole. There's no fee. We can't buy it. You can have billions and trillions, and you can have the wealth of uncountable solar system. Yet it will not be able to buy the tiniest drop of this divine bliss, divine nectar of divine love. So it's impossible to buy it. Yet Radha Rani gives it free. Free. She says, only one thing you have to do, surrender to me. Surrender means, so surrender cannot be used as a fee. The word surrender means doing nothing. So somebody, we can't lay a charge against Radha Rani and say, oh Radha Rani, I surrendered, and then you give me divine bliss, divine love. So I paid something. No, no. Surrender means doing nothing. Kuch nahi karna. To do nothing. To become the non-doer, completely surrender in the mind, the intellect. Mayeva mana adhasva may buddhim niveshaya. Chapter 12, verse 8, Gita, Shri Krishna says, this is what surrender means. Give your mind and intellect to me. Stop thinking when it comes to God, when it comes to Guru's instruction. Just follow 100%. And we are going to get that highest gem, highest dhan, wealth, and we don't have to pay for it, for nothing, free. मोहि अपनो कछु सोच न राधे, सोच तोर मोहि राधे. Oh Radha Rani, I don't really think about myself, what people are going to say about me, and I am very bad anyhow. I'm not thinking about that. I'm thinking about you, Radha Rani. What will people think about you? Because people are thinking I am a devotee of Radha Rani. I am a das, a servant of Radha Rani. I am a devotee. And because I am so bad, I am such a sinner, I am such a fallen soul, you will get a bad name, Radharani. Because of me. I've got a bad name, that's fine, I don't care about that. The world gives bad name anyhow. Whether you're good or bad, they'll give a bad name. So I don't worry about that. I'm worrying about you, Radharani, that you will get a bad name. Because people will say that, oh, look, he is a devotee of Radharani and such a sinner, it's doing so much wrong things. So, that you will going to get a bad name, apayash, I can't bear to hear this. This is unbearable for me. I can't bear to hear that, Radharani. So the only way to save me from you getting a bad name because of me, you have to make me good in the true sense. Shower your grace upon me, O Radharani. Hamari hu sudhilo Radhe, 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 Radhe.
Hamari hu sudhilo Radhe, 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 Radhe.
Radhe, Radhe, Radhe,
Radhe, Radhe, Radhe.
तू तो बिनो ही मोल दे राधे,
तू तो बिनु ही मोल दे राधे.
सुधा प्रेम रस राधे, 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 राधे.
सुधा प्रेम रस राधे, 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 राधे.
मोहि अपनो कछु सोच न राधे,
मोहि अपनो कछु सोच न राधे.
सोच तोर मोहि राधे, 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 राधे.
सोच तोर मोहि राधे, 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 राधे.
राधे, राधे, राधे,
राधे, राधे, राधे.
तव कृपालु अपयश सुनि राधे,
तव कृपालु अपयश सुनि राधे.
ओ सही न जात मोहि राधे, 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 राधे.
सही न जात मोहि राधे, 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 राधे.
राधे, राधे, राधे,
राधे, राधे, राधे.
ओ हमरी हो सुधिलो राधे, 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 राधे.
हमरी हो सुधिलो राधे, 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 राधे.
बोले राधा रानी की जय.
जय.
So then we do the next one. We go to the next one. And that's number 26. And this is again, so we just did the philosophy, so we're going to do a Leela one. Leela Pat. Alright, so beautiful Leela about Shri Krishna. तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, 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 भोरा.
तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, 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 भोरा.
भोरा, भोरा, भोरा,
भोरा, भोरा, भोरा.
ओ तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, 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 भोरा.
तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, 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 भोरा.
Shri Krishna is very naughty. Nathakat. Extremely. So every day, the gopis would come to Yashoda Maiya and complain. Roz aake Kanhaiya ki shikayat karte. Maiya ko. Every day they come and complain about Kanhaiya. Kanhaiya did this, Kanhaiya ye aisa kiya, unhone aisa kiya. But Maiya kabhi sunti nahi. Maiya never listens. Maiya will just look at the gopis and smile. No matter what a gopi will come and say that Kanhaiya did, stole her makhan, pinched her child, let loose the calves and drank all the milk, no matter what, Maiya will just smile. In other words, Maiya will never accept that Kanhaiya did something wrong. So this gopi is saying to Maiya, oh Maiya, you always think your son, Chora, your son, is very bhora, very innocent. But Maiya, this is not true. Wo maha chalu hai. This son of yours is very, very cunning. Very cunning, Maiya. But all you think is that my child is so innocent. And everyone is always complaining about him. Oh Maiya, you don't know. Every day, every moment he is teasing. Gopiya ko tang karte hai, tang. He teases the gopis. He steals their orhani and run away with it. Their headscarf. He stops the gopi on the path and says, hey, you have to give tax. This is my pathway. Tax. Give some makhan, butter, some dahi, yogurt. He'll break their pots. So much thing he does. Though he is very cunning, Maiya, but when he comes in front of you, oh, he's so innocent. He fools you, Maiya. So you think that he is so innocent, but it's not the truth. Tu to kaha mora chora bhora, 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 bhora.
Tu to kaha mora chora bhora, 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 bhora.
Sakhi kaha sunu yashmati tava chora.
Sakhi kaha suno yashmati tava chora.
Param chatur nahi bhora, 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 bhora.
Param chatur nahi bhora, 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 bhora.
Sakhin satawat nitya chora.
Sakhin satawat nitya chora.
Tavasan mukh rah bhora, 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 bhora.
Tavasan mukh rah bhora, 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 bhora.
Bhora, 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 bhora.
Bhora, bhora, bhora.
Tu to kaha, oh tu to kaha mora chora bhora, 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 bhora.
Tu to kaha mora chora bhora, 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 bhora.
Ah, Maiya, you think he is very innocent. So naive and so innocent, he pretends in front of you. Maiya, you know what he does? Sabaso kaha how he piye tora. He will stop the gopis and tell them, hey, hey, Lalita, hey, Vishakha. I alone is your beloved. I alone. I'm your beloved, your husband, everything. This is the kind of thing he'll say. And you think that he's very innocent? Think about it, Maiya. Does an innocent person do something like that? a naive person. दृग मिलाय सखियन चित चोरा, अबहु मान तू भोरा. And Maya, there's something called Kataksh. Kataksh. The exact word for this in English, but it's the way that you look at someone from the corner of the eye and you wink the eyes at them, you steal their heart. So Maya, he looks at the gopis like that and steal their heart. अब ये गोपी का हाल खराब हो गया. The moment he steals that gopi heart, now that gopi has become useless. Day and night she shedding tears. All she can think about is this Kanhaiya, when she will meet Kanhaiya again. Housework she cannot do properly. She puts the milk to boil, the milk gets burnt. Nothing she can do properly, because all she's thinking about now is Kanhaiya. By one kataksh, one sideways glance, he steals the heart of the gopis, Maya. And you are thinking that he's so innocent. This Kanhaiya of yours. Tu to kaha mora chora bhora, bhora bhora bhora.
तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा,
भोरा भोरा भोरा
भोरा भोरा भोरा.
सब सो कहा हो ही पिय तोरा,
सब सो कहा ही पिया तोरा,
सब सो कहा हो ही पिय तोरा.
सब सो कहा ही पिया तोरा.
कैसे कह तू भोर, कैसे कह तू भोरा, कैसे कह तू भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा. कैसे
कहा
तू भोरा,
भोरा भोरा भोरा.
दृग मिलाय सखियन चित चोरा,
दृग मिलाय सखियन चित चोरा,
दृग मिलाय सखिन सखियन, दृग मिलाय सखियन चित चोरा.
दृग मिलाय सखियन चित चोरा.
अब हुमान तू भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा.
अब मान तू भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा.
तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा.
तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा.
Ah, Maya, I can't tell you the things he does. I'm telling you small things. There are certain things, Maya, I am ashamed to tell you. बोल नहीं सकती. I can't tell you. It is so shameful what he does. Anyhow, थोड़ा सा बताऊंगा. I'll tell you a little bit. काऊ घट फोरा, काऊ लर तोरा. He breaks the pots of some gopis, takes stones, pebbles, and break their pot, their water pot. These pots, these earthen pots of the gopis, they are very dear to the gopis. They do everything with these pots. To bring water from Yamuna, to bathe, to put the dahi, the makhan, the yogurt, everything in these pots. He breaks them. A lar, malas, the gopis wear mala to make themselves look beautiful for Kanhaiya, not for themselves. अपने को सुंदर बनाती है कन्हैया के लिए. And what he does, he takes their mala, breaks their mala like a monkey, runs it everywhere. Oh Maiya, dhani dhani chora bhora. And you say that he is bhora, innocent? Jai ho, all glories to such an innocent person who's doing all this and he's still innocent. ये भोरा है, धन्य धन्य हो। और मैया, ये छोरा आपका है ना, वो जादू जानते हैं, जादू। ही इज अ मैजिशियन, ही इज अ जादूगर। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ जादूगर? ही हैज स्टोलन द हार्ट ऑफ बिग बिग पर्सनालिटीज, ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, शंकर, उमा, दुर्गा, लक्ष्मी, सरस्वती, all that kind of jadugar. No, what for an ordinary soul? He's such a magician. ऐसा जादूगर है. He knows magic, Maiya, that he can steal everyone's heart, he can do all of these things. अंदर में वो जादू करते हैं, अंदर से, बाहर से बहुत भोरा. And outwardly he is so innocent. He pretends as though he knows nothing, he can do nothing. वो परम भोरा. He is extremely simple, that nobody will think this boy can do all these things, Maiya. And that's why you are fooled by him also too. He comes to you, makes a puppy face, and you believe him. And you never believe the gopis. तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा।
तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा।
तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा।
तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा।
काऊ घट फोरा, काउलर तोरा।
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 धनी धनी छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा।
धनी धनी छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा।
तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा।
तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा।
जानत जादू यह सुत तोरा।
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 ओ बाहर ते बन भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा।
बाहर ते बन भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा।
तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा।
तू तो कहा मोरा छोरा भोरा, भोरा भोरा भोरा।
अब ये बातचीत चल रहा है गोपी और मैया, इतने में कृपालु आए। कृपालु आए और कृपालु ने कहा, मैया ये गोपी की मत सुनो। सचमुच ये है कि आपका छोरा परम भोरा है। ये गोपी ऐसे बोल रही है, लेकिन अंदर से इनका अनंत प्रेम, अनंत प्यार है उस छोरे के लिए। So while this gopi is complaining to Maiya about Kanhaiya, Shri Krishna, Kripalu comes. Shri Kripalu in the form of a gopi. And Kripalu says to Maiya, Maiya, don't listen to this gopi. Ye gopi ki mat sun. Don't listen to this gopi. In truth, your son is supremely innocent. Supremely innocent. Think about the innocence of Kanhaiya. Somebody tried to kill him. एक पूतना विष लगा के कालकूट स्तन में कि कोई बच्चा मुंह लगाते पर ही वो मर जाते हैं। और कन्हैया ने क्या किया? अपना गोलोक धाम दे दिया, अपने लोक। Think about how simple, how innocent Kanhaiya is, Shri Krishna. Someone tried to kill him. He was only 6 days old. 6 days. And this wicked witch, Putana, put poison on her breast, Kalkut, that the child will just put the mouth, touch, and the child will die. And what did Kanhaiya do? He gave her his divine abode. Who can be more simple than that? Somebody is trying to kill you, and you give them everything, the highest, your divine abode that a mother should attain. You accepted that she was a mother because she took her breast and put it in your mouth. So you thought, okay, hamara maa ban gayi, ho gaya. Because she put her breast in your mouth, oh well, she's become my mummy. Any excuse to shower grace on the individual soul. This is how innocent, how naive your Kanhaiya is. So Maiya, don't listen to this gopi. She loves Kanhaiya tremendously. And she loves when he does all his things to her. Because he shower in grace. By doing this gopi actually wants him to do that. Ye yatha maam prapadyante tans tathaiva bhajamyam. Chapter 4, verse 11, Gita. Shri Krishna says, how a devotee, how someone loves me with whatever feeling, I return that love in the same way, with the same feeling. Some gopis, they openly meet Kanhaiya on the way and talk to him. There's no shyness. Openly. Some, they talk to him from behind their veil. Some can't even come out their home because the mother-in-law will say, I'll break your foot if you come out. They can't leave the house, and they want to give Kanhaiya makhan. They want to feed him. So what does Kanhaiya do? He comes and steals it. Because the gopi wants it. So outwardly to the world, it looks like Kanhaiya is doing all these wrong things. But in effect, he's actually increasing the love of the gopis. They want him to do this. They are getting tremendous bliss, happiness when he performs all these love and pastimes with them, as though he's an ordinary human being. So in truth, Maiya, she's saying like this, but the fact is, your Kanhaiya is supremely innocent. Supremely. So in this way, understand, he is truly Bhora. Bole Kanhaiya Lal ki, Srimad Sadguru Sarkar ki, Larli Lal ki, Siyavar Ramchand ki, Pavan Sut Hanuman ki.